Introducing the ScanSnap iX500, the most powerful desktop ScanSnap yet. With advanced GI processor technology, the ScanSnap iX500 brings a whole new level of ease of use and productivity to home, small office, and now the world of mobile devices. Ease of use is at the very heart of ScanSnap. Just lift the lid, place your stack of paper in the document feeder, and press the scan button. That's it. ScanSnap iX500 quickly scans both sides of each page into crystal clear PDF or JPEG images at a blazing 25 pages per minute. And with the most advanced ScanSnap feeder system yet, even those tough documents are easy to scan.
And now, with the option to connect ScanSnap wirelessly to your PC or Mac, finding that perfect spot for ScanSnap has never been easier.
Got a tablet or smartphone? Expand your scanning options with the PC-less scanning function. By installing the free ScanSnap Connect app, you can now scan a PDF or JPEG file wirelessly to your mobile device without even powering up your computer for a whole new level of time savings and convenience. Alongside exceptional hardware performance, ScanSnap performs intelligently as well. As each sheet passes through, ScanSnap can make PDF files searchable, automatically determine if their color, set the proper crop size and orientation of each page, and even remove blank sides. And a new bleed-through detection feature cleans away unwanted noise from your scans, all working in the background to produce great results fast. ScanSnap iX500 is a powerhouse of features, and the new customizable quick menu provides you with several Scan To options to be more organized and productive. Scan to a folder, to a printer or a new email as an attachment. Scan printed pages back into a Word, Excel, or PowerPoint file for text editing. Scan a business card and automatically extract the contact information into changeable fields. Even scan directly to your existing Evernote, Dropbox, Google, or SugarSync account. Need to scan to another application or web service not already in the quick menu? If it can open, attach, or insert a PDF or JPEG file from Windows, chances are the highly versatile ScanSnap folder function can scan directly into it. The incredible ScanSnap iX500 with GI processor gives you the intelligence, speed, reliability, and high-quality imaging you need to convert paperwork into data that can be easily read, searched, shared, and stored. It's the ultimate productivity tool.